What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. I would also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 ways to make money with TikTok in 2021. And one of the methods, you'll be able to make $100 or more if you implement this method right away. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so the first step in making money with TikTok would be through affiliate marketing. So that is when you promote other people's product for a commission. So essentially what you would have to do is find best-selling product in your niche, or the niche that you're planning to go into, product that you believe in, and you start promoting that product to your audience. If they resonate with it, you can make tons of sales and make passive income with that, right? And then the second method would be to grow and sell TikTok accounts. So that would be a TikTok account, find a niche, start creating interest contact around it, which would also again resonate with your audience. And then once you grow that account to a certain level and certain amount of followers, engagements, and so on, then you can reach out to other brands that are within that niche, and you can sell that whole account off to them. Make good amount of money with this method. So the third method would be to collect donations. So when you go live on TikTok, your viewers will be able to donate gifts within your live, and you can collect, basically they call it diamonds. And once you have 10,000 diamonds, you'll be able to convert that into PayPal cash. So the fourth option would be to run an influencer agency. This is where you're the middleman and you basically connect the influencers to brands that are interested in their audience, right? So you basically make commission in between for connecting the two. The fifth option is to become a TikTok consultant. So if you have a good understanding in how to get thousands and even millions of views on your videos, then you can definitely monetize your skills by teaching others how to do the same. So it's no brainer to leverage your expertise and create another stream of income. The sixth method to make money with TikTok would be to publish sponsored posts. Influencers with up to 100,000 followers can earn between $500 to $2,000 for sponsored posts in their videos. So this value will also depend on the type of product or the number of followers or on the engagement rate. The seventh method is to sell your own merch, and the best part is you don't need thousands of followers. Unlike other methods, you don't need tons of followers to sell your own merch, and you can definitely price your services or product the way you want it. So you completely have control over it, and it's an amazing method to monetize your TikTok account. Alright guys, so now let's look into where you can find products that you can promote through your TikTok account, as affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way to start making money. You don't really need to create your own product or anything like that. So you would click on the marketplace at the very top, and you'll be able to see different categories on the left hand side here, and you can choose any niche that you're into and find a product that you can promote to your audience. For example, let's look into some categories here. So health and fitness, as you can see, there are tons of different products that you can promote. This one pays $126.61, $110.38, $50, and so on, right? So you can just pick a product here to promote. You would click on promote button here, and then you'll be able to put your username in and then generate a hop link. You can definitely look into other niches here. Education would be one. Business and investing, cooking, food and wine. So this is a big niche as well. And then games, green products, home and garden, right? Parenting and families, right? And then self-help would be another niche that you can look into, if this is obviously something that would resonate with your audience. There you have it, guys. So those are the 7 ways to make money with TikTok in 2021 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop a comment. Please smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.